shelter right now. Pepper Pike to Woodmere. This is a serious blast of wind here, whether it's straight line winds or not. We won't be able to tell until after this thing goes by.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland
once again,
has issued a
warnings
severe
are out for this
thunderstorm
area,
warning for Geauga County, northern Portage County, northern Summit County until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates the line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Chart to 7 miles northwest of Macedonia and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chardon, Macedonia, Chesterland, Twinsburg, Hudson, South Russell, Streetsboro, Burton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Ohio, Geauga, Portage, and Summit.
Chagrin River Road. So that area is moving off toward the south and east toward Route 306.
Urgent weather.